What's the meaning of Boy Scout? Boy Scout. Boy Scout.
Boy Scout. Boy Scout. The term Boy Scout typically refers to a member of the Boy Scouts of America, a youth organization founded in 1910 that is focused on character development, citizenship, and outdoor skills. The organization emphasizes ethical behavior, personal responsibility, and community service. Boy Scouts are generally divided into troops based on their age and work together to earn merit badges for mastering various skills, from camping and hiking to first aid and cooking. The Boy Scouts of America has been the subject of controversy in recent years due to its policies regarding the participation of openly LGBT individuals and girls, prompting some to question the organization's relevance in modern society.